Out in the cold, dark expanse between the stars, Voyager 1, humanity's farthest emissary, has gone silent. For nearly 50 years it whispered secrets of the cosmos back to Earth. Now that whisper is gone. The silence stretches across 24 billion kilometers, a stark reminder of the loneliness of cosmic exploration. On September 21, 2025, the Deep Space Network lost contact. One moment, Voyager 1 was transmitting its faint data stream, the next, nothing but static. NASA engineers sent commands hoping for a reply, but the void remained heartbreakingly quiet. The final data packets were garbled, filled with telemetry readings of critical failure, erratic thrusters, wild power fluctuations, and a final burst suggesting a high-velocity impact. Something had struck Voyager 1. In the vastness of interstellar space, our probe suffered a cosmic collision, severing our oldest connection to the universe beyond our solar system. Voyager 1 was more than a machine. It was a symbol of our drive to explore and understand. It carried the golden record, a message in a bottle, now likely silenced before it could be heard. We're left to ponder the fragility of our creations and the immense, untamed nature of the universe. The silence from Voyager 1 is a stark reminder. The cosmos is indifferent to our ambitions. Our distant messenger's journey has ended not with a gentle fade but with a sudden, violent silence. The universe, vast and ancient, continues on, and we listen, hoping for one last echo from the void. To grasp what we've lost, we must remember what Voyager 1 gave us. Launched in 1977, it seized a rare planetary alignment, using gravity to tour Jupiter and Saturn. Voyager 1 revealed Jupiter's storms, faint rings, and Io's erupting volcanoes, transforming our view of moons as dynamic worlds. At Saturn, it captured breathtaking images of rings and flew past Titan, peering through its haze to glimpse a world rich in nitrogen and methane. After its planetary tour, Voyager 1 began a new mission to journey into interstellar space. For decades it measured charged particles and magnetic fields, sending back data from the edge of the solar system. In 2012 it crossed the heliopause, becoming the first human-made object in interstellar space. Voyager 1 became our silent sentinel, tasting the cosmic winds on our behalf. Its journey rewrote textbooks and inspired generations. Now its story ends, but its legacy is etched in Starlight. The data it sent will shape our understanding for decades to come. Bolted to Voyager 1 is the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc. It's a time capsule, a message in a bottle for any distant civilization. Curated by Carl Sagan's team, it contains 115 images, greetings in 55 languages, and the sounds of Earth, from whale songs to a Saturn V launch. Its music spans cultures and centuries, from Bach to Chuck Berry, Peruvian panpipes to Indian ragas. The cover is an instruction manual etched in gold, with a pulsar map pointing to our sun. Designed to last 1 billion years, the record is a bold statement. We are a species that creates, feels, and reaches out. Now that cosmic greeting may drift forever, its message silenced by a random act of the universe, yet it remains a testament to our hope. The universe is mostly empty, but not entirely. For 48 years, Voyager 1 navigated the sparse hazards of interstellar space. On September 21, 2025, its luck ran out. Final telemetry showed chaos thrusters firing wildly, a sudden temperature spike, and power fluctuations, a digital scream of a dying probe. The culprit? Likely a small dark object, perhaps no bigger than a basketball, traveling at immense speed. Even tiny debris in interstellar space can be catastrophic. This collision shattered our perception of interstellar space as a benign void. The risk of high-velocity impacts, once considered negligible, is now a reality for future missions. Next-generation probes will need better shielding and active debris detection, increasing costs and complexity. The universe has reminded us, exploration comes with real, unpredictable dangers. Our ambitions must now account for the hazards lurking in the dark. Voyager's fate forces us to rethink how we journey into the unknown. The price of reaching the stars just went up. Voyager 1's silence began with confusion, not quiet. In late 2023, its flight data system started sending garbled data, like a book with scrambled words. The rest of the spacecraft seemed healthy, but the data was unreadable. Engineers at JPL became digital archaeologists, poring over 1970s schematics and code. The breakthrough came in April 2024. A single faulty memory chip was corrupting the data. The team devised a risky fix, rerouting code around the failed chip, like remote brain surgery across the solar system. Miraculously, it worked. On May 19, 2024, Voyager 1 sent back clear data for the first time in months. The global scientific community breathed a sigh of relief. Our explorer was revived. This triumph of ingenuity made the final silence just months later all the more shocking. Voyager's resilience inspired us, even as its journey neared its end. The probe's fight against time and distance was a testament to human creativity. But the universe had one final, unpredictable challenge in store. And this time, there would be no recovery. For 4 brief months, Voyager 1 resumed its work, sending precious data from beyond the heliosphere. Each packet was a treasure, insights into the interstellar medium, the galactic magnetic field, and cosmic rays. Then, without warning, the signal changed. Routine data was replaced by a burst of engineering telemetry, Voyager's automated fault protection system responding to crisis. Gyroscopes reported a massive, sudden spin. The probe was tumbling, struck by an external force. Temperature sensors on the high-gain antenna spiked, then failed. Evidence of a direct hit. Power readings fluctuated wildly as systems shorted out. The last data, a failed attempt to correct the tumble. Then, silence. The antenna, knocked off course, could no longer reach Earth. In seconds, a mission that survived for decades ended in a random, violent act of cosmic chance. Voyager 1 became a silent, tumbling derelict in the interstellar night. In the aftermath, NASA faced a somber reality. Voyager 1's mission was over. Engineers still send commands, but hope fades. The focus shifts to forensics, analyzing the final data to understand what happened. The loss is immeasurable. Voyager 1 was our only active probe in interstellar space, our anchor for understanding the cosmic environment. Now, we rely on indirect observations and theory. The data it sent will be studied for decades, but the flow of new discoveries has stopped. Voyager's journey inspired generations, its pale blue dot image reminding us of our place in the universe. The loss feels like saying goodbye to a trusted friend. Economically, the impact is small, but the cost for future missions rises. New probes will need better shielding and debris detection, adding mass and complexity. The universe has exacted its toll for crossing its frontiers. We must pay in ingenuity, resources, and determination. The lesson exploration is never without risk. Voyager 1's demise sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Dr. Ed Stone, Voyager's longtime project scientist, called it the end of a historic chapter. Less like losing a machine, more like losing a companion. Dr. Linda Spilker noted the unique value of Voyager's data. "We've lost our only interstellar weather station. It will be decades before we can replace it." Dr. Ralph McNutt emphasized the practical lesson. Interstellar space is not a benign vacuum. Future missions need shielding and hazard avoidance. Voyager's final act may be teaching us how to build its successor. Experts agree, this event is a powerful reminder of the risks of exploration. Voyager 1 did not fail. It succeeded beyond all expectations, ending only because it met the universe on its own terms. Our ability to send a probe that far is the miracle. Its legacy is secure. The story of Voyager is now part of human history. Its journey inspires us to keep reaching for the stars. The universe is vast and indifferent, but our curiosity endures. Voyager's silence is not the end, it's a call to continue. Voyager 1's silence is not an ending, but a call to action. Its loss creates a void in our knowledge, and a challenge for the next generation. The legacy of Voyager is inspiration. It showed us what's possible when we dare to dream and explore. Now it's our turn to continue the journey. Missions like the Interstellar Probe must move from concept to reality, with smarter, more resilient explorers. Space exploration is a human endeavor, requiring global collaboration and shared ambition. The silence of Voyager 1 should echo in the halls of governments, reminding us that our destiny lies among the stars. Let us celebrate what Voyager gave us, a tour of the giants, a glimpse of the pale blue dot, and our first step into interstellar space. Its story is woven into human history. Let that story inspire us to look up, not with loss, but with determination. The great adventure of reaching for the cosmos continues.